a landslide have left this poor creature trapped underground. Just a cry for help, and some kind villagers have arrived just in time to rescue it. But there is still something that was weakly trying to get out of the mud, and so that it wouldn't be too late, they quickly brought the two puppies up to the surface immediately, and after checking their health condition, they took them to a safe place. This giraffe was forced to wear a collar unintentionally, and the rescuers promptly removed it, as it now seems more comfortable. Looking at these lions having fun with tourists makes one forget that it is a fearsome and dangerous prey that is the king of all creatures on the steep. When it comes to the intelligence of dolphins, everyone knows. But in addition to being smart, they are also very kind, as it helped the dog escape the sharks and to get back to the boat safely. Perhaps it must have been a very cold winter for this panda to enjoy the bath so happily. Everyone is trying to rescue the giant blue whale, weighing tens of thousands of tons, that has been stranded on the beach, and they are trying to get it back into the ocean. But it will take a long time. This peacock had a special performance on the street that made everyone excited. Sometimes rhinos are stubborn like this, as it caused the long convoy to stop and wait for the bike to be gone to be able to pass. Unfortunately, they did not create any dangers.